Pi network just dropped a massive update, migrations have resumed, and this changes everything. But wait, there's a twist. Not only is the circulating supply increasing, but the market just reacted in a way no one expected. Prices took a hit, investors are panicking, and the Pi core team just made a huge announcement that could change the future of Pi forever. If you're mining Pi or holding Pi coins, you need to watch this video until the end. Let's break it all down. Yes, it's official. Pi network has officially resumed migrations, and the numbers are changing at an incredible pace. This marks a significant milestone for the community, as more users are successfully migrating their Pi to the open network. As of now, the circulating supply has reached 6.773 billion, reflecting a rapid increase of 9.62 million Pi in just the past 24 hours. This surge indicates a growing number of participants transitioning their holdings, reinforcing the network's progress toward greater decentralization and usability. Additionally, locked migrations have increased by 6 million, while unlocked migrations have risen by 3.6 million. This means more users are not only securing their Pi through the lockup mechanism but also gaining access to their unlocked Pi for potential transactions, utility, and future ecosystem growth. With migrations accelerating, it's an exciting time for the Pi network community. Stay informed and take action to ensure you don't miss out on this crucial phase of the network's development. For the past few days, the migration process had essentially stalled, as the locked to unlocked ratio remained at 1:1. This meant that no new Pi coins were being migrated, and the overall supply remained static. For many in the community, this raised concerns about whether migrations would resume anytime soon. Now, however, things have changed. With new migrations actively taking place again, the network is seeing fresh movement, increasing both the locked and unlocked Pi in circulation. This is a crucial development because it signifies that the migration pipeline is fully functional once more, allowing more users to transfer their Pi into the open network. The resumption of migrations is not just about numbers, it's about momentum. It demonstrates that the Pi network is progressing steadily, reinforcing trust among users and paving the way for further adoption and usability within the ecosystem. If this trend continues, it could accelerate the network's overall growth, enhance liquidity, and bring Pi one step closer to mainstream adoption. If you've been eagerly waiting for your Pi to migrate, this could be the moment you've been hoping for. With migrations now back in full swing, there's a higher chance that your Pi has been successfully transferred to the open network. This means you might finally have access to your migrated balance, whether it's locked or unlocked. To find out, simply check your Pi wallet and see if your migration has been processed. If your Pi has arrived, congratulations, you're now officially part of the growing circulating supply. If not, don't worry, with migrations moving forward again, your turn may be coming soon. I'd love to hear from you. Have you received your Pi yet? Let me know in the comments and share your experience with the community. Pi coin has taken a significant hit, now trading at 89 cents after experiencing a sharp decline. This drop comes right on the heels of the recent migration resumption, which has introduced a fresh supply of Pi into the market. With more Pi becoming available, the increased circulation may have led to heightened selling pressure, causing the price to dip rapidly. The market cap has also taken a hit, falling to $5.31 billion, marking a 5.16% decrease. This decline signals a reduction in the overall value of Pi coin within the market, likely driven by the sudden influx of newly migrated coins. Investors and traders are reacting to the shift in supply dynamics, leading to market volatility. Adding to the concerns, trading volume has plummeted by 30.9%, indicating reduced market activity. A sharp drop in trading volume suggests that fewer people are actively buying and selling Pi coin, potentially due to uncertainty surrounding its short-term price movements. While price fluctuations are normal in any market, this sudden drop highlights the impact of increased supply and changing market sentiment. Will Pi recover from this dip, or is further decline expected? Stay tuned for updates, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Here's the deal. Should you panic? Every time new Pi coins enter circulation, we see the same pattern. Traders start panicking. The common fear is that an increase in supply will automatically drive prices lower, leading to a wave of sell-offs. This reaction is exactly what we're witnessing now, as the latest round of migrations has triggered a market dip. But here's the real question: should you be panicking? Absolutely not. Market dips like this are often driven by short-term traders who react emotionally rather than strategically. Meanwhile, the real big players, whales, exchanges, and institutions, are paying close attention. They don't let promising projects like Pi crash to zero because it's not in their best interest. In fact, they profit the most when the average trader panics and sells at a loss. The moment retail investors start dumping their Pi in fear, that's when these major players step in, accumulating at lower prices. So what should you do? Stay informed and don't make rash decisions. Instead of reacting to short-term price movements, focus on the bigger picture. The Pi core team just made a major announcement, and this could change the entire game. If you're wondering what's next for Pi Network and how this could impact the market, stick around. We've got some big updates coming your way. For a long time, Pi Network has relied on phone numbers as unique identifiers for user accounts. However, due to persistent issues with SMS verification, the team is now making a major shift to improve security and reliability. Official statement from the Pi core team: Pi accounts relied on phone numbers, not emails, as unique identifiers. But due to SMS verification issues, we're moving to email-based authentication with two-factor security. This move is a game changer for the Pi ecosystem. By transitioning to email-based authentication with two-factor security, 2FA, the team is enhancing account protection, reducing verification failures, and ensuring a smoother experience for users worldwide. Why this change matters? Stronger security. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of protection, making it harder for hackers or unauthorized users to access accounts. More reliable verification. Many users have faced challenges with SMS verification delays or failures, especially in certain regions. Email-based authentication will help solve these issues. Better account recovery. If you ever lose access to your Pi account, having an email-based system makes it easier and more efficient to recover your credentials. This announcement marks a significant upgrade in Pi Network's infrastructure, bringing the platform closer to mainstream adoption. Stay tuned for updates on how to transition to the new authentication system, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. That's a fair question. Many users have been wondering why Pi Network didn't implement these security measures earlier, especially given the known issues with SMS verification. The truth is, Pi's ecosystem has been evolving gradually, and the core team is now addressing one of the biggest flaws in the system, ensuring smoother access, better security, and more efficient migrations for all users. With this shift, Pi Network is becoming more secure, scalable, and future-ready. The big question now is, how soon will they implement these changes, and what's next for Pi's long-term adoption? Stay tuned for more updates. Yeah, exactly. This isn't a new feature, it's damage control. The reality is, thousands of people have been locked out of their accounts due to verification issues. And if Pi wants to go mainstream, they need a secure way to verify users. So what do you think? Is this a smart move, or just too little, too late? Let me know in the comments. Hit like and subscribe. If you want to stay updated on Pi Network's latest developments, make sure to follow along for daily insights. Pi Network is evolving, and those who stay informed will be the ones who win in the long run. Are you ready to seize the opportunity?